Hi everybody, this is Suprice back another day with another unboxing, and today a surprise unboxing.
Don't get hip
So in my latest video about clothing, I said that people assume that I wear the same clothes every day. Like this sweatshirt. I have 4 of them, and I have 4 or 5 of them in hoodie. So yeah, it might look like I'm wearing the same thing every day. So I tried I bought some restaurant clothing and something else, and I just came to the conclusion that I am as a person, if I find something that I like, I stick with it. People think that is really weird that I eat the same thing every day, and if I like something, I stick with it. And I usually compare that with, well, if you find a boyfriend or girlfriend that you really like, shouldn't you stick with it? So yeah, I really like Ledoux. I've been wearing their clothes for several years, and everyone that I have taken my recommendation and bought clothing from them as well are also super happy. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. They fit me, they look good, they feel good, and they wear well. I've used this so many times, I washed so many times, and I still look good. And when they saw my video about me being disappointed about other brands and super happy with them, they sent me a gift. Come on, a gift from your favorite clothing brand. So if I wasn't a huge fan before and a honest customer, I'm absolutely that now. So let's see what we have here. A bunch of things actually. So come on guys. Hi Pierre, thank you for your great support. It is much appreciated. We hope you like the small gift. Best wishes. Come on guys. I am a huge fan. I'm sticking with your clothing from now on only. Oh, I like this one. I saw this on a site and I thought it's stupid of me that wanted to buy the very expensive Goyard water bottle when they have a great one. So yeah, this was a perfect gift. Really nice. And a cap. I've done a couple of videos about their caps, and I highly recommend it. They fit well, they look good. And this is a black one. I don't wear black, so this is going to be a freebie. Uh, Hit me up, let me know why you deserve this one, and I will give it to you. If you can come and pick it up here in Malmö, that is much better. I absolutely recommend their caps. It's just that I don't wear black. And here we have a green one instead, much better. This is I'm so happy, so grateful. Green one, some stickers, and a bag, a tote bag. All right, great. I can have this while I'm go shopping, groceries, because the one that I have today isn't cool enough. So this one is really nice. Good size, feels good. Yeah, thank you very much, Ledoux. Thank you very much. A surprise unboxing, package with free gifts, several free gifts from me and you, because I am a supporter and a huge fan of a very good clothing brand. So 10 points to Ledoux. Thank you very much. I'll post links. I have a tag in my blog for their posts, my videos about their clothing brand. Yeah, super happy. This one was great. Thank you very much.